It's cold outside. Okay, good morning everyone. Happy New Year. How are you guys doing? Hope you all slept well. Alright, a quick one. I have a message to pass to all of us. There's something that has been bothering me, or there is something I want to quickly share with us. I want to give it as an advice, or I want to say it the way it is in my mind. Social media is beautiful. We all are enjoying the benefits and fun, cruise, everything that has been happening in social media. But the areas I wouldn't want you to fall a victim of is the areas of somebody from nowhere coming out to tell you that what you know, what you are sure of, what you believe is no longer what it is. You see, they say follow who know road. Somebody sang that song. Follow who know road. The people you give your attention to matters a lot. The people you follow, the people you listen to, any page that you are following, if you know that that page is not feeding you well, my dear, I think the best thing to do is to quit. Block. Go away from that page. Even if it is my page, if I am not giving you what you need to know, or what you want to understand, or what you want in your life, my dear, block me. Block me entirely. Do not even feel I'm existing. Because lately I find out that a lot of people who claim to have been working for God have come to distract so many of us. How can somebody born of a woman, somebody who breathes, somebody who cannot even defend how he or she come into existence, he will come out and tell you that there is no God? That's a big insult. It's a blasphemy. Kai, I don't know how people are. I don't know how you people are saying it. Maybe all these years you've been believing on God for something, because I say God is never too late, and you are very close to what you've been believing God for. Maybe next month God will answer your prayer. Maybe in the next minute is your turn for Him to turn around your story, and all of a sudden, somebody from nowhere, somebody from the pit of hell will come out in the name that he knows it all. He's a philosopher, he's a philosophy, he's a photographer, he's a let me not use that language. And he will tell you that there is nothing like God, God does not exist, there is no this, and you believe. And when you disbelieve that God does not exist, He will flee away. Perhaps He is very close to your to the point of your prayer. He's very close to helping you achieve and answer all your prayers. And somebody will just come and then scatter your mind. Just, every other thing, he will turn it around, and you begin to wonder, is God real? Is there God? Is there not God? Are we not being foolish by listening and believing, even when you yourself, you know exactly that God exists? Because if God does not exist, then how do you come into existence? Who formed you in your mother's belly? How were you formed? Because I don't get it. The earlier we start thinking about all this, the better for us. The earlier you start, minding the people you follow, the earlier you mind the pages you follow, the people that feed you with their negative and demonic, atrocious, unacceptable and deceitful, deceiving you with their belief, because they are winning souls for their master, and for you think they are telling you the truth. And people are jumping up. You see people clapping. This man is saying the truth. This woman is a God sent. Is a God sent. Then who is that God? Because He's only one God that we know. He's only one God, the one only true God. Except they are telling you about their own God that is not real. But if it is the God that creates the whole universe, my dear, till you die, God remaineth the same. They say He never changed. He cannot change, and there's nothing you can use to compare Him with. So please, I beg of you, mind who you follow. Mind things you give your attention to. I am the one talking to you. Maybe you don't love me. Maybe you don't like me. Maybe you say, who on your panel? Somebody will like, somebody now is saying, who is this one to tell me what to believe? Forget about the container. Forget about the carrier of the message. But take the message. Throw me away. Even you can block me, but block my image. But hear this voice, because it is not everybody that can tell you what I'm just telling you now. The earlier you do this, the better for you. So this morning is another beautiful morning that whenever you come across this message, you have to share it so that you get to others. Maybe anytime you hear about share, you think maybe somebody is trying to get more viewership, more. No, I'm not interested. But I am interested in the people that will listen to this message, that will digest it, that will, sometimes, but just a voice, or you come back. It is not over yet. God will do this. Oh yeah, don't worry, I will help you. This will bring that person back. You see that person living again. The code is too much outside. I need to go inside. Please, I want you to do what? Throw Chifimo away. Throw Longinus and Okute away. But take this message. It will do you a whole lot of good than harm. As you do this, may God, who exists, the creator of the whole universe, may He enrich your memory, give you more sense, reasonable thinking, give you everything you need to keep believing that He is the only one true God, and without Him or cut off from Him, you are nothing. I love you all. Choose wisely. Choose who you follow. Choose who you listen to. Then choose the God you serve. As for me and my family, we're serving the living God. We are not perfect, so there are so many thousands of iniquities built in us. But we are just managing, trying to. Because in this whole life, even you that is listening to me, you aren't perfect. Are you? You aren't. I love you all. Bye.